Hi everyone, this is Karthika, Faculty of Physics, working in SNS College of Engineering. In this session, I am going to explain about the introduction of optical fiber and types of optical fiber. So it is continuous with the laser because the laser light can be used for a long distance communication. So before inventing the laser light source, radio waves, microwaves and other light waves have been used for a communication system, but it can be affected by the atmospheric condition like rain and fog. There is a requirement for a medium, so it can be the optical fiber. So after the invention of optical fiber, it is very helpful for a long distance communication, so without any effect of atmospheric conditions. So this is the structure of optical fiber. It consists of core, cladding, buffer and jacket. So in center there is a core, so that only carry the light waves, and it is made up of glass or plastic which comes under the dielectric material with high refractive index profile, and it carries the light signal. After that there will be the cladding, so that is made up of glass or plastic with lower refractive index than the core. Buffer, so that will protect the fiber from damage and moisture, and then jacket, so that holds one or more fibers in a cable. Next is the types of optical fiber. So optical fiber can be classified based on the material, mode of propagation and refractive index profile. So further that can be classified into two. Materials can be glass fiber and plastic fiber. Modes can be single mode and multi mode. Refractive index profile can be stub index fiber and graded index fiber. So first one is the based on material. So we have a glass fiber and plastic fiber. Glass is made up of mixture of metal oxides and silica gases. Then there is a core that is made up of germanium dioxide and silicon dioxide. Cladding is made up of silicon dioxide. For plastic fiber, that is made up of plastics which can be handled very easily. So core can be the polystyrene and cladding may be the methyl methacrylate. So based on mode of propagation, we have a two, that is single mode and multi mode. So in single mode, it has a very small core diameter than the cladding, so it can allow only one mode of propagation of light. So that is why called the single mode fiber. Its core diameter will be 5 to 10 micrometer and cladding diameter will be 125 micrometer, and it can be used for a long distance communication system. And if we go with multi-mode fiber, the core diameter is larger than the single mode fiber, so it can carry more than one light waves into the fiber. So its core diameter can be 50 to 350 micrometers and cladding diameter can be 125 to 500 micrometers. So it can be used for short haul distance communication systems. If you go with refractive index profile, there is a two type, that is stub index fiber and another one is the graded index fiber. So in stub index fiber, the refractive indices of air, cladding and core varies step by step, and then it is called as the stub index fiber. And if we go with graded index fiber, so the refractive indices will be maximum at the core center and it gradually minimize, and it attains zero value at the core cladding interface. So this is called the graded index fiber. So it can be used for a communication purpose in a short and long distances. So here we have a difference between single mode and multi-mode fiber. So it is based on their characteristics. We can classify, that is differentiate. In single mode, it has only one mode of propagation. In multi mode, it can carry a more than one light wave. So advantages for single mode is no dispersion, but multi mode have a disadvantage, that is have a dispersion more because of the more number of light waves. And in single mode there is a disadvantage, the launching of light and connecting the two fibers are very difficult. But advantages in multi mode is launching of light and also connecting two fibers is very easy. It have many features. Optical fiber have many features that will be continued in the next session.